So good morning online and offline listeners. We are on the day 3, 12th February 2021 for the 31st National Convention, first virtual of its kind, the theme Engage to Transform. I welcome you all on behalf of Insan WSC, that is West India chapter located in Pune. We are organizing this 31st National Convention. Yes, the theme is Engage to Transform. But the idea for today's panel discussion is employee engagement for organizational resilience in changing world. Ms. Pura Bhatia. I think it's welcome, Mr. Avinash Kapoor. Thank you very much for gracing this occasion. The third panelist, none other than Mr. Sanjeev Shinde. Main area when we are going to discuss today about employee engagement, which is a very discrete word. We cannot measure employee engagement to that extent which we are thinking of. Though we have studied time study, motion study,
I am grateful to you for giving this opportunity to me to speak to you all in this 31st National Convention of Insan.
That this book is nothing but biography of a towering, most beloved industrialist and a great human being, none other than Honorable J.R.D. Tata.
Sudhir Date and the audience here, 700 plus, are eager to listen from you. Welcome Sudhir Date. We are actually missing you, but we are meeting you virtually. Over to Sudhir ji.
At the same time, I am very happy and lucky myself that I have actually witnessed each and every activity that is performed from 10th to 12th, that is today. This particular convention is a special convention as it is not a physical convention in that sense, but first virtual convention in the life of Insan history.
We have a new way to inaugurate the valedictory session as well by watering the plant of Tulsi. But today, on this occasion, we will like to have our chief guest and guest of honor, Vijay Kalra and Milind Joshi, to release this first case study book on Indian business cases. Electronically, so as soon as you open the completely, I'll just put a flash. So Umesh sir. Thank you. So congratulations, Mahendra Axelo. I hope Noha is there. Yes. I give dials to Mr. Parag Auti to deliver his chairman's speech.
Or pass? Absolutely not, because there are few advantages of it. If you don't get trapped into the past.
And that's where I learned the initial techniques of Kaizen. Amazing techniques. What is meant by simple, pure observation. And
I request Vijay Kalra sir to give his chief guest address. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Ober, for I never expected such a...
The team paper contest, there were number of entries 34. The third rank, TML CVBU, goes to Rahul Kumar Singh. Congratulations. You are not giving any exam, yeah? You have successfully passed. Congratulations.
anything. 31st National Convention, the first ever virtual convention, or somebody called as a hybrid convention. So congratulations to all who wholeheartedly participated.